Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on a Pioneer mini split install. I did it for a buddy of mine. This is actually the 19 SEER 12,000 BTU 115 volt unit. Very similar to the one I installed on my porch. Actually, I think it might be the same model, but I'll put the model number in the description below so you have an idea of what it is. So we did this install on this patio because they had no heating and cooling out here. And in the winters, it would get really, really cold. In the summers, it get really, really hot, and they could never use this space, except for maybe in the fall and the spring. It's about 200 square feet out here. And the mini split has really made this one of their favorite rooms. As you can see, we couldn't center it on the wall because the window's there, but it's really not a problem because it has a horizontal louver that you can fixate to the middle of the room, and it heats and cools the space really well. So it may not be easy on the eyes as far as centered on the wall, but it does the job really well. It's actually running right now in cool mode. Not sure if you guys can hear it, but it's really quiet. Really love these units. So let's go outside and look at the outside unit. So one tip on these line set covers, the screws that come with them that hold this together, they'll actually rust over time and it'll bleed into the plastic. So what I do is I like to go and get some stainless steel screws to replace those so it looks good for a long time to come. As you can see, we have to mount this to a cement pad instead of on the wall. Turned out really well. It's a nice unit. It is running, so I don't know if you can hear that. It's really quiet. And so the electrical on this one, we end up tying it into the breaker box to the main unit. So you can see that conduit going along the base of the wall there. We actually tied that into the main unit here. Not sure if you can see it or not, but that worked out really well. And forgive me for any mistakes I make. This is a one-take video since they're actually selling the house, and the final inspection's in an hour or so, so I got to get out of here. So what you see is what you get. And if I make any mistakes, I apologize. Hear this again. Let's go back inside real quick. All right, guys. Well, that's a quick overview of the install. I hope to have a complete install video maybe this summer. From start to finish. I just gotta wait to see when the next install is, because I don't do this for a living. I just do it for families and friends and whatnot. So hopefully I have one to install this summer, and we'll do a complete one, start to finish video of how I do these. But they're pretty easy to install. As always, if you have any questions about the install or anything about the units or whatnot, just put them just put them below, and I'll be glad to respond to them. I try to respond to comments within a day, so sometimes I don't get the alerts on my phone though. But please ask any questions you have, and hopefully we'll have some more content coming on these. I will have well, it's supposed to be a 1-year review on mine, but it's about 15 months now, so that'll be coming out soon. And I'll just go over the unit and the install and everything, and how it's performing after 15 months. But it's doing great, so it's kind of a preview of it. Anyway, all right guys, I appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you like the content. And again, ask any questions you might have. All right, talk to you guys later. See ya.